When it comes to designing a book cover series, there are two options you can choose from: hiring a graphic designer and let them do all the work, or taking the risk and trying to do it by yourself. If you're up for the second option, you should know from the start that it isn't an easy job to do, but at the same time, it's not impossible. If you're equipped with the proper toolkit and some great pieces of advice, you'll see that you'll succeed in the end. Let's see how you can design the coolest book cover series ever. Tip number 1, be consistent with the design, look, or theme. The aim is to keep one design concept for the book cover series. This is easy and fast to do. Select the same font style for the title and subtitle, if you have one, but change the color for each book. The readers will notice the books are part of a series, but will distinguish one volume from the other. Tip number 2, place the series name on the cover and the spine. Keep in mind that your book title has to appear completely on the front cover and the spine, so allow enough room in those two places for both short and long titles. This is an important rule when talking about book cover series. Try to always take it into account. Tip number 3, place sequence numbers on the spine. I know it seems logical by default to write the book number at the bottom of the spine when designing a book cover series, but trust me, you'd help your readers figure out the order in which the stories follow by doing this. If your books are not very much related, people could make the mistake by starting on book number 3, and you wouldn't want that. Tip number 4, go for a minimal approach. If you're not very talented at design, then you should definitely choose the minimal approach. A simple yet impressive book cover is a great method when we're talking about tying together a book series. It's true, the minimal approach reduces the visual noise, but it presents instead a clean and organized cover. And this is exactly what you want, right? And that's all for today. Keep in mind that Flipsnack is always here for whenever you want to design a perfect book cover series. Plenty of free templates are waiting for you. Check them out right now.